Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. The phone unlocked and the gallery app closed so media indexes correctly. Once done, connect with USB-C, Lightning, or enable Wi-Fi transfer. Choose the fastest link. Make sure file source is Ready, Camera Roll, File Manager, or a cloud folder synced locally because you will pick items immediately. You want minimal interruptions. Briefly check storage space and permissions so apps can write to the gallery. Now open the source to select files to move or copy. You now select the files. Long press an image or video to enter multi-select mode, then tap Others. Once selected, choose Move or Copy. Move saves space while copy keeps originals. Next, tap the Share or More menu and pick Save to Gallery or the app's import option. Make sure to choose the correct destination album or create a new one so items appear where you expect them. While transferring, watch progress indicators. Do not disconnect until completion to avoid corruption. You finish by verifying the transfer in the gallery. Open thumbnails and tap full previews to confirm file integrity. If items are missing, refresh the gallery view or force a media rescan. On Android, clear gallery cache and restart the app, and on iOS, toggle photo syncing. Make sure file timestamps and sizes match the source. If problems persist, reconnect the cable, retry the move, or switch to cloud upload and download to the device as an alternative troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.